the name of the dance we do down Johannesburg way.
Well, it's very unfortunate for the Davido thing, for Davido not coming to Zimbabwe and perform. But yeah, well, still life goes on, and I'm still going, and yeah, we're still living it. Yeah, okay, so I'm in Harare now, in town. I just came in from Chi-Town, so I'm at HICC. There it is. And okay, so the real reason why I'm here is because I want to see the military touch performances and see how they interact with their audiences and stuff like that. And also the reason why you're seeing me with some bags and stuff is because we run a business, Red Cup solo business. That we are going to sell some Red Cups at the event. So I'm here early. Right now it's now 5:45, and I'm waiting for DJ Christian. He's a very extraordinary guy. He's a well-talented guy. So yeah, so we're getting ready to see the performances, and I'm so excited. And let's see how it goes.
Military touch.
Come sharp. Asihana inorova mama hatichanda kusasana ingangova yatofamba mama ndanyora nziyo yerudo isere mibvunzo mama nziyo yerudo mibvunzo yacho inoda minduro nziyo yerudo minduro dzacho minduro chaidzo mama unogona kudzidzisa vana vangu norimi rwamai hausombo venga mai vangu kana hama dzangu unogona kudzidzisa vana vangu norimi rwamai hausombo venga mai vangu kana hama dzangu anonzi hemi haladeo nengo munzira oparedio.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, here. Alright, can you say something about the concert? The concert? Yeah.
Right now she should be inside, but
yeah,
still waiting outside. There's no sound check.
Right now it's 7 o'clock. We should have been.
They said the show is starting at 5.
Yeah, around that time. But
this is like 7, 8 now. I don't know what time we're going to perform now.
Yeah, this is my friend Maluisi. He's a dancer. We've been to China together, and yeah. So yeah, that's it. Nice meeting you, man. Yeah, beautiful.
How much today?
Yeah.
Cool, that's cool.
So yeah. Yeah. We're here at HICC, man. And it's about we just finished setting out Usoro. And leave hands. Okay. But anyway, Facebook's lit. Super lit. Yeah, so this is DJ Christian, by the way, the one I was mentioning about. The biggest DJ is him, the biggest DJ in Africa, ain't nobody better than me. Alright, so we're in and we're about to do our business and get some money. Get some ching dollar bills, some hustling and shit. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're waiting for the show to start and yeah, we're good to go. You made for this.
Loving me the way you do, you got me shaking all over. Hey. Oh baby, I put on me now. I love you, make we go see Papa.
Say something about anything. Right, we are going out now. Let me start with the show is nice. That was a performance. I understand feeling the vibe. Nice one. It's okay, man. You're gonna be on Facebook. That's cool.